Hi, in front of me is POCO C55 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by opening your device's keyboard and clicking on microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear instead. Now tap on voice typing. Hit the gray switcher next to it to activate it, and when you're ready, go back to your keyboard. Now you can finally click on visible microphone icon, wait for Speak Now command and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!